I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda Accord's clutch pedal. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your clutch operates smoothly and efficiently. Proper adjustment is crucial for comfortable driving and extending the life of your clutch components. You'll learn to identify the key parts, understand the correct measurements, and perform the adjustments yourself. This guide will help you achieve optimal pedal feel and prevent common issues like grinding gears or premature wear, making your driving experience much more enjoyable. First, you'll need to get into position under the dashboard to locate the clutch pedal mechanism. Look for the master cylinder push rod which connects to the pedal arm. Next, find the lock nut for the clutch pedal position switch and loosen it, backing the switch off until it no longer touches the pedal. Then, locate the push rod lock nut, often a 12 or 13 millimeter nut, and loosen it. This prepares the system for the main adjustments. Now, with the lock nuts loosened, you can begin adjusting the push rod. Turning the rod clockwise will raise the pedal and make the clutch engage higher, while turning it counterclockwise will lower the pedal and engage closer to the floor. The goal is to achieve 10 to 18 millimeters, or about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch, of free play at the pedal. Once you've reached your desired setting, carefully tighten the push rod lock nut to secure the adjustment. For the final steps, adjust the clutch pedal position switch. Turn it in until it just touches the pedal, then give it an additional 3/4 to 1 full turn before tightening its lock nut. Next, adjust the clutch interlock switch. Press the pedal fully, then release it by 9 to 12 millimeters or about 1/3 to 1/2 inch. Hold it there and adjust the switch so the engine starts. Finally, tighten its lock nut and test your clutch operation for smooth engagement and disengagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.